Hi everybody, today I will be recording unpacking and installation of sexy buttons. So here we go. Okay, this is the box with 4 sexy buttons. Let's open them. Not as easy to do with one hand, but I'm sure I will manage it. Here you go. Okay. The package comes with 4 buttons. You can buy them in 2 or 6 buttons configuration. Comes with some wires and commander. All right. And some tool which may help me to pry out the cover. I have a bunch of stuff here on the trash, and let me try to turn on the light. Okay, I think this should be a little bit better. Again, I'm in the back seat of my Tesla Model Y, and let's try to pry out this cover first. Okay, maybe from the bottom it would be a little bit easier. Let's see. Yes, got it. Okay, you can see there is a connector over there. I hope all the wires will fit together with control module in there without bulging too much. Let's see. Okay, before we proceed with the installation, a couple of things. First, we need to turn off the power on the main console, and after we do it, we shouldn't open or close any doors anymore, so I will leave the doors open. Now I'm going to turn off the power. Okay, so to turn the power off, we click on this icon and then go to safety, then scroll up, and there's power off. Okay, now when power is off, we can proceed with installation of the wires. Now this is male, this is female part. So first we're gonna disconnect this connection, pressing this little lever and pull it out. So male connector goes to female, and those folks are scientific terms, by the way. Nothing sexist about it. There's only one way to connect them, and this part goes in there. Requires a little to twist for the wires. There you go. Now we can grab the controller and connect to this little outlet. Okay, everything is connected. Now the challenge would be to tackle everything inside so it would not interfere with closing of the lid. So I'll try to push everything inside like this. And put it back on. Nope. Wrong side. Okay. Here we go again. Okay, no luck here. So this part would have to go probably between the seat and the main console, because unfortunately it doesn't allow to lock the lid with this thing being inside, with the controller being inside. I don't know if newer models or older models don't have this metal plate in there, and it would allow to push this connector back inside further down, but in this 2021 model, unfortunately, it does not. So yeah, probably that harness in there is... Oh, there you go. Everything back in place. The commander is sticking up. It is what it is. Now my little trash can goes back in, and I think we're done. Let's try to turn the power on and see how it goes. We need to press brake button to turn power on. Sorry, another button, brake pedal. And as you probably can see, the controller starts flickering with some lights. So now we can go and download the application and try to connect to this commander module. In order to do that, we need QR code right there on the box. Right there, one for Apple, one for Android. So after I install it, I'll be back. Okay guys, I didn't like this controller sticking up there. I found much better solution. So basically there is this cover which goes on top. You can remove it by unscrewing these two screws and basically remove this cover, and then the controller is going up here. Basically you can hide it behind this cover, and there is apparently enough space to do so. So basically just like that, you put it back in, put it in there. I think you can use double-sided tape, double-sided adhesive tape to attach it to this part over here. Okay, controller is attached. I'm gonna assemble everything back. The cover goes in first. Two screws. Tighten them. Now the USB and this module goes in there. There are only 1, 2, 4. There you go. Snaps just right in, and this cover goes back. Ta-da! Everything's neat. No sticking wires and controllers. Trash can back in. We're good. Back in business. I already downloaded application. Let's see if I could record the screen to show you how it works. Alright, so let's open this application I just installed, which is called Sexy Buttons. It is right there. Basically it's easy. Just scan the QR code on the box, and it leads you to download page. You download, install it, and then when you open first, there will be firmware update right here, so you can update it to the latest firmware. You can do it, you may have to do it a few times, because I already did it once. Now it prompted me to upgrade again. I guess there's even newer version available now, so hopefully it will be the last one. So let's give it a minute or 2 or 3. Okay, success. Now we can go and add the buttons to the device. So basically, as I said, there are 4 buttons: S, 3, X, and Y. And the way how you add them, you click on plus button, then press and hold the button itself until it connects. Success. So I connected S button, and it by default assigns media down option to it. So by pressing on the button itself, or on the icon representing the button, you can choose other options you can assign to each button, like autopilot, charging, folding mirrors, tilting mirrors, dim mirrors, stuff like that. Heated seats, climate control. So all kind of buttons are or functions available. I'm gonna go ahead and assign in lock unlock function to open where is it? To open glove compartment, which is supposed to be here. Child unlock, lock unlock, accessibility maybe. There you go. It's not in lock unlock, it's in open. All the way, scroll all the way to the left. There's this open menu, and there's a glove box. Try, and glove box is open. Save. And now this button gonna be opening glove box for me. And that's how you can program all 4 buttons, and this application allows to add up to 8, so you can buy additional sexy buttons if you want 2 or 4. So there you go. Thanks for watching.